Hello, welcome to another Fly with Marco video. Now it's lockdown at the moment, and because of that I'm not able to create some really great content and go flying. However, I've gone through my archived footage and found some really good videos that I'd like to share with you that haven't done so already. Now in this particular video we'll be able to see startup, taxiing and takeoff in full detail and with no edits. We'll be departing from Peterborough Conington, heading back towards Sherburn, and again you'll get the full ATC and cockpit audio within this video. Now this video wasn't filmed to show you the startup process, simply I'm sharing my experience when I fly, so I haven't vocalised all the checklists, but nevertheless it really does provide a great insight into the first maybe third of flying, which is taking off and taxiing and starting the engines and things like that. Thanks to those who have already subscribed to the channel, it really does help the channel grow and it means a lot to me too. Hope you enjoy the video.
Calling runway news is choice with a left-hand circuit, QFE is 1012, QNH is 1013.
28 left-hand circuit, QFE 1012, QNH 1013, Corpus Radio.
Okay, so mixture fully rich, magnetos on both, RPM, alternator on, oil pressures, okay, mags we'll check for a dead cut, so left, right, good, avionics, okay, looks fine. Yep. Okay, so request taxi. Conington Radio, Golf, Sierra, Foxtrot, Tango, Zulu by the windsock. Request taxi for 28.
Golf Tango Zulu, Conington Radio, reading U5, the runway news is choice with a left-hand circuit, QSE 1012, QNH 1013, taxi when ready.
Taxi when ready, 28, Golf Tango Zulu. So what I'll do is I'll do my power checks here.
Yeah.
It looks like that guy's probably doing it there.
Yeah.
Okay, so parking brake on. Okay, so 1800. Left. Right. Cycle once. Back to idle. Okay. Trim. Throttle. Mags. Prop. Fuel pump. Takeoff flaps. Probably won't need them, but anyway. Line controls. Yep. P's and P's, okay. Canopy secure. Harness secure, you're all buckled in and
secure,
comfortable.
Yep.
Alright. Well, we'll wait for this guy and then we'll go.
Right. Is that your throttle friction?
Yeah.
Friction, is it?
This is the throttle friction, this is just another throttle.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, so I think the arrows fly it a bit like that.
Yeah. Oh, so you don't use that one then? Do you?
Well, I just by habit, I guess, just use this one.
Right, okay.
But you
Golf
can't.
X-ray India, surface wind 290 degrees 5.
I should actually probably start trying to use this because good to use both, isn't it, just in case?
Yeah. Yeah, the Robin have got two of these on that side as well.
Yeah. Gone for an immediate departure. Wow, he's off quick, isn't he?
It is, isn't it?
Well, we got anything on final? Doesn't look like it. I haven't heard anything. Go for it. Golf Tango Zulu lining up 28.
Golf Tango Zulu. Surface wind 280 degrees less than 5.
Perfect. Okay, T's and P's are good. Got the fuel pump on. Right. Looks okay. Go. Okay, let the speed build up a bit. There we go. There's a left-hand circuit. I think I just may go straight and exit to the west, rather than carry on with the full circuit.
Alright, just straight out.
As long as there are no homes to go over, doesn't look like it.
Got the guy in front as well still.
Yeah. Alright, T's and P's are okay, looking good. This must be the M1 down here then. Alright, yeah.
London Radio, Golf Bravo Golf, that's Romeo request airport information.
Golf Bravo Oscar Delta Romeo Conington Radio reading you 5, runway news is 28 with a left-hand circuit. The QFE is 1012, the QNH is 1013.
Good H1013 and 18 left hand, Golf, that's Romeo.
I'll take some pictures on the way back.
Yeah.
28 Golf.
And make a radio call. Golf Tango Zulu departing the circuit to the west, thank you very much for having us.
Thanks for your call, have a good trip.
Did you hear what she said?
Have a good trip, but thanks for having coffee, maybe.
So, I'm thinking about the altitude on the way back. Because we're going on the, if you follow the semicircle rule, we're going left, so we should stick to an even altitude plus 500 for the VFR. So, if we can get to 4-5, that'd be quite nice. Now, obviously, I'm conscious that if I head on straight, I'm going to go into the military zone, so I want to make sure I've got some good altitude before I even veer that way.
Okay.
Traffic to the head, 1 o'clock, crossing left to right.
I see that.
Yeah, look at that cloud formation, just all this. Yeah, it looks amazing.
Get a shot of that for you.
Golf Tango Zulu changing to Wittering.
And to Wittering, have a good trip, bye-bye.
These little holes are very handy for taking pictures.
Yeah.
You don't get all the
Yeah, they are
reflection off
good.
with that.
I'll just speak to Wittering and get a basic service from them because I plan to cross over the head.
Sounds good.